Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I've got a quick little Dollar Tree haul for you with a few items for DIY and some for around the house. So let's quit wasting time and get to the haul. Alright, we're getting ready for Halloween, y'all. So I've got this cute little ghosty sign with Daboo on it. This is for a wreath. I'll have a video coming up for that showing you how I use this on a wreath, but he is so cute with a little orange glitter. So I got that, and then of course I got some eyeballs. I might try to incorporate these into the wreath. And I got some ribbon. This is the orange and black polka dots. I thought that would go good and white, because the little ghost is orange and white and black. So I got 2 rolls of that. And I'm going to try to put these little skull LED lights on the wreath. So look for that. I hope to have that DIY up this week. Oh, I got some in my eye. Excuse me. Okay. And some mesh. I already had some white, but I got this orange and black. I think some purple to kind of go in with it. And then I got these little organza bags. These were in the baby department. I've got a little DIY coming up using these, so look for that. And I got some of the tubing in the mesh tube in the Halloween colors, orange, purple, and black. That's for the wreath. I got all this stuff for the wreath, but of course I probably won't use it all for the wreath, but it's good to have. It can also be used carried over, used for fall decorations. So. And then a little more mesh. I got some more orange and black and the purple, but I think that's going to come together nice and make a pretty wreath, but I'll show you that in a little bit. And then the rest of it is just kind of, I do have a few. The coolest thing I found, really, and I'm getting ready for Christmas, they have these mini craft and gold mini tags. 40 in a pack. I thought I would use these for my name tags on my Christmas packages. They're so cute. And then they have some larger ones. There's 24 in the pack of this one. They're 3x4. And I think it's 3 designs. One has just lines on it. One has a gold heart. And then one has part of the tag is in gold foil. So those are really cute. These are my favorite things I found. And I didn't find these with the stationery or with the wrapping paper. For some reason they were stuck in with the florals. So I don't know if that was just my Dollar Tree or the way they had it organized. And I was so upset because I rode over to the next little town for mine to go to the Dollar Tree, and because it's bigger than the ones here locally. And when I get there, everything is in boxes piled up on the shelves, and they're stocking, but there was a lot that was still in boxes and I couldn't see what the stuff was, so I'll have to go again. And then I found these more stickers, like I need more stickers, but these are going to be used in a DIY coming up really soon. But I got the butterflies and the flowers. I just thought those were so cute. And the rest of this is kind of household stuff, so I'll go ahead and show you. I got some of the Betty Crocker Easy Seal storage bowls. The bonus pack, you get 3 for $1. I'm going to use these in my meal prep. I'm just still doing the low carb thing, so I'm going to meal prep for the week. So there's 6 of those. And as some of y'all know, I meal prep for my mom because I take her something to eat every day, and I try to fix 3 or 4 plates ahead so it's not so rushed when I get off work. I got these 5 plastic water glasses, and I got a little DIY coming up using these. I guess I'll show y'all. It's something I just saw when I was browsing on the internet. I thought I'd give it a try, but anyway, I'll show you what I use these for later. And I got some of these little clips. I'm going to try to take this blue basket I have here and put these clips on it, hang it in the rod on my shower to hold all my shampoo and stuff, because I just have it sitting around on the edges, and every time you get in the shower I kind of knock it over in the bathtub, so I spend all my time cleaning it up. Let's see, the rest of this is just household stuff, but I got the Fabuloso. This is the one with bleach in it, and it smells pretty good. I use this to mop my floors. And I got this is my favorite by far, toilet bowl cleaner, the Lime Away. this is the bomb. It really does a good job. So I got one for me and one for my mom. So that's another one. And I got some of these Good Sense zipper seal storage bags, the large ones. You can't beat that, 12 of those for $1. And I got some fabric refresher. This is the extra strength floral scent. I love to use this. I have slip covers on all my furniture and I take them off. The ones in the living room, I take them off every week and wash them because I do have dogs and my son's here with his dogs. So I have 4 dogs in my house and I can't stand smells. It's a long story. Well, I'll tell you part of it. Y'all probably don't want to know. But anyway, for a lot of years I worked at the county landfill and the smells, it was awful. It was terrible. So I can't stand for anything to not smell good. So I have essential oil air diffusers in my house, the automatic air freshener sprays, and I wash the slip covers off my furniture every week and spray my furniture down with this stuff, just so I won't have a smell when I come in my house. When I walk in my house, I want to smell whatever air freshener is going. I don't want to smell dogs. So anyway, that's one of my little phobias or whatever. But anyway, too much information. I got some of this Salon Selectives. This is the first time I've seen it in my Dollar Tree. It's the Instant Repair Leave-In Conditioner with Brazilian Keratin Oil. So I'm going to try some of this on this dry mop of mine and see if that does any good. And I'll let y'all know how that works out for me. And I got this fragrance booster for the wash, but this one isn't for my wash. This is for a DIY I got coming up. So y'all be looking at and see how I use this. And then I got my Electrosol sponges too. I used to get the big pack, you know, that wasn't Electrosol. I can't remember what brand it was, but it had like 8 sponges in it. I used to love to get that, but they haven't been carrying it lately. So I've been getting the Brillo 2 packs. And then I got 2 packs of these dinner forks. I take my mama's meal every day, and I don't know what's going on, what kind of glitch she's got about the forks, but for some reason all her silverware is going missing. So I don't know what she's doing with it. I'm sure I'm going to find it all eventually, but I just pick these up and take them. I try taking the plastic forks and stuff, but she didn't really like eating with those. So, I mean, these, I'll keep up with them for as long as I can, and when they get gone, I'll just get some more. And, oh wow, I flew through that. That's the end. That's it. I told you it was a mini haul. I've been trying to do better and use up the things I already have. So this stuff that I got is going to be put with other stuff I already have for some DIYs coming up. So look for them. I'm still doing my countdown to Christmas, so look for that. That's coming up. Should be up shortly after this video, maybe the next day. And then some more low carb, and we'll see what happens. I'm trying to get some more videos on there for y'all. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Remember, if Susie can do it, you can do it too. Bye, y'all. Have a great weekend.